Drowning in HR paperwork? Let's see if Zoho People can throw you a lifeline. Hey everyone, and welcome to our quick dive into Zoho People, the HR software that promises to streamline everything from employee management to payroll in the next minute and a half. We're breaking down what it does well, where it stumbles, and whether it's the right fit for your business. First up, employee management. Zoho People offers a centralized hub for all employee data. Think digital employee files with contact information, job history, and reporting structures. It's pretty robust, allowing for customization of fields and easy access to important details. Next, time tracking. Zoho People enables employees to clock in and out, track project hours, and submit timesheets. This feature simplifies payroll processing and provides insights into workforce productivity. The geofencing feature ensures accurate time logging. Let's talk performance evaluation. Zoho People's performance management tools allow you to conduct 360-degree reviews, set goals, and track progress. The customizable templates make it easy to align reviews with your company's specific needs. Payroll integration is key. Zoho People integrates with various payroll systems, streamlining the payroll process and reducing the risk of errors. The ability to automate payroll calculations and tax deductions is a huge time saver. Now, let's address usability. Zoho People generally offers a clean and intuitive interface, but navigating some of the more advanced features can require a bit of a learning curve. This is a major pro for its accessibility, but it does require training. Pricing is where Zoho People gets really competitive. They offer a range of plans to fit businesses of all sizes, with options for per-employee pricing, but keep an eye on add-ons, as the costs can add up depending on the features you need. So, the verdict: Zoho People is a strong HRIS option, especially for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a comprehensive and affordable solution. Just be sure to factor in the learning curve and potential add-on costs. That's all for this quick review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more software breakdowns.